It's only 111 temperature. Is
Only.
only. It's not that bad.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is going to be our first Arizona staycation vlog and our 6-year anniversary celebration on 4th of July weekend.
If you ever come to Arizona and decide to hike, make sure you bring your water. We're not joking.
And don't hike in the summer, please.
Yeah, please. We don't want you to call the helicopter. We are here at the Global Ambassador. It's a new hotel. It's built in 2023 December. Oh, Maserati.
Audi, G-Wagon, Porsche.
Oh.
A little bit about the room. The AC is right here on the wall. If you do open up that...
Wow, look at this view. Very pretty. If you want to see the full room tour and the hotel review, please check out other video. The room is pretty.
Yep.
Now let's go explore.
Check out the gym.
No. Okay. What? It's a deep elevator.
Yeah. Lobby, let's go. Fitness is level 2. We can check it out real quick.
No, I don't want to.
Why not?
Dangerous place.
Did it work?
Oh, it's open.
It's already open.
Wow.
Wow. Very pretty here.
Gym
Is that a sink?
Super nice.
It's just a sink.
Yeah, wash your hands before workout.
And a soap here too. That's cool.
I think that's the nicest gym I've been in the hotel.
Yeah, aesthetically, it's very, very nice.
And it's all techno gym and
Protein bomb.
wow, let's
Cool.
try it. They provide you
Earbuds.
earplugs,
Yeah.
earbuds,
Towels.
towels. If you're a gym rat, you will like this place.
They even have what do you call that?
Massage.
Massage guns.
Oh, they do have this one. Wow, this one has all the
The vibration.
vibration.
Oh, this is from Theragun.
I
Very
guess we need
spacious.
to work out here because
Yep.
very nice looking gym. Oh, that's so cute. What is this?
What
Oh, I never seen
Oh,
it.
this
it's pretty heavy.
is very heavy. This is feels like
Yeah.
15 pounds.
Hmm.
What about the pink one? Oh, pink. I think
Oh,
pink
this
is
is
heavier.
very aesthetically cute, luxurious looking bar for rich people. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. What else is there?
It's like a class you can stretch room.
Classroom? Yeah, I think it's a classroom. Oh, there's a cycling.
It's the cycling room.
Pilates is here.
Oh, I don't know that.
One,
Pilates
two, three,
room.
four.
They do have water and some drinks. Oh, fancy. Eating their protein bar without Vinny before it comes and then finish it. Mmm. Mmm. Very good. Mmm. 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 Very good.
Is it? Let me try one. Protein bomb.
Mmm.
Oh, I know this smell.
Dates, I think.
Dates, is it?
I think. Mmm.
It's amazing.
This is my 10th time saying,
맛있어요.
맛있어요. 그때모 오이시. This outfit is cute.
Hey.
Hello.
Like breakfast.
this croissant is so big. At the lobby, they have this lobby book. Like, it's all the drink menu. Actually, minimum drinks start from $18.
Cocktails.
Average, I would say
20.
20.
Some spirits, agave, whiskey, bourbon,
Yeah.
wines, beer.
Oh, they have a dessert. Oh, they have like a onion
bites.
bites.
Appetizer,
Yeah.
I think.
So we decided to order a adult happy meal, which is $29. Comes with martini and truffle frites, which is fries. We'll see. Woohoo! Oh, Fancy Vinny got a martini. Yum yum yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, fries so very good.
Mm.
Mmm.
Oh, pretty good.
Oh, this is very good. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, mine is just tiny.
Like you. This one tastes super good.
Mm. Truffle fries.
Mmm.
This is ranch?
Mmm. Yummy.
No. Tartar sauce.
Oh, really?
The short rib looks amazing.
Happy anniversary. Our 6-year anniversary. Congratulations, bro.
Congratulations.
It was a nice business transaction with you. The weather is pretty nice, but it's 106.
Yeah.
But it's not that hot. Maybe because they're greens. No, this is turf though.
Not too bad.
I guess 106 is not that bad.
Somehow, I guess. It's dry heat. It's not humid.
Yeah. People in New York might be suffering.
New York, East Coast.
Yeah. How was the stay? Did you sleep well? Are you sure? I didn't. The hallway was noisy. Some girls were very loud. I don't know what time it was.
Midnight.
Midnight. Okay. We were grandpa slept too early, I guess.
Yeah.
But it was super loud.
The bed is very soft.
The pillow is too soft.
Too hot.
Yeah. Even you have a AC low, it's hot. I make you coffee. Coffee ASMR. Leftover. No, actually, they pack us a new chips from last night. So crunchy. And the onion.
Oh, I was talking about the onion dip was not
Oh.
super cold.
Onion dip.
Cheers. Good
I'm gonna
morning.
steal it.
Breakfast? I don't know. What time
Brunch.
is it? Brunch?
11:59.
Anna with the gym.
Yeah.
Come on.
Where's yours?
I have a hamster.
Hamster. Boink, boink. Oh yeah. Grab a drink. I think I'll drink this one. Got myself a vitamin water.
This is pretty cool. It vibrates. And it's pretty good actually. I want to buy this. I'm pretty sure it's very expensive though. I don't want to look up the price. I really like it though. It's like the blood circulation. You can feel it while you're doing your rolling. Make sure you do this. You're straight, okay? Straighten it, okay? Go down. Pause. Go slowly, okay? I'm teaching you. Okay? Good job. 뭐야? 왜? What are you doing? You think you're cool? You think you're cool, huh? You think you're cool? 하지마. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you. No one's gonna like and subscribe now.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, ew! Go away. It's a frozen rosé sample.
Sample? Yeah.
Cheers. Oh, very strong.
It's
Super strong. Yeah. I didn't expect this is the rosé.
Not bad. It's kind of refreshing.
Are you hot? It felt nice. What's the weather? Oh,
I think I need
it doesn't zoom it. 109 is only 109.
only
Come on.
really hot.
As an Arizonian, 109 is nothing. I got the pina colada. It comes with the toasted coconut. Very
Coconut.
cute.
Cheers. What did I get?
Something margarita, basic.
Classic margarita.
Oh.
Basic.
Cheers.
Oh.
Oh shit. Sen thinks this is one of the best
Pina colada.
pina colada. It is a Peruvian style. Peruvian pina colada.
It's very smooth.
It's very, very smooth. Highly recommended.
It's good.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's too hot.
It's 109. My back is like burning. My head is burning.
I need to dip the whole body in the
No, I'm not gonna. Oh, cold. Water is cold.
Feels nice.
The water is cold. So it's almost 4 o'clock. We're about to check out since we are guaranteed 4 p.m. checkout.
Guaranteed late checkout.
Bye bye.